Bonjour, can you say head, shoulders, knees and toes in French? Well, in today's lesson, we are going to practice those words and make small sentences using them. As always, there is a support guide available with this lesson, so please join and click on my join button if you want to access the support guides and my exclusive live lessons too. Now let's have a look at what I would like you to learn today. Now in this video, I would like to teach you some very simple words about body parts, okay? The way we're going to do that is quite simple. I'm going to use my blue pen and I'm going to point out at some of the body parts. Let's start from the top, work our way down. So, to start with, can you name the head in French? The head. In French, the head is la tête. La tête. And again, you can either name them with la or une. The difference is that one means the other one means a head. La tête, tête, la tête. What I'm going to do here, it's name the mouth as well. Do you know how to say mouth? La bouche. La bouche. Très bien. La bouche. So we've got la tête, la bouche. And you will notice that these words are feminine, both of them, okay? Because they start with la, okay? Or une, okay? Let me remove une so it's clearer. Okay, so let's work our way down. I'm going to make him bigger so we can see his beautiful face. Now, neck. Le cou. Le cou. Le cou. Très bien. Le cou. So far, we've got 3 words here going. La tête, la bouche, le cou. La tête, la bouche, le cou. And because I want to teach you head, shoulders, and toes, I'm going to teach you how to say shoulders. If I talk about both shoulders, les épaules, les épaules. So tête, épaule, and then I don't know. So let's have a look at his arms now. So we want to talk about his arms. So if we talk about one arm, we would say le bras. Le bras. If we want to talk about 2 arms, we would say les bras. Les bras. Can you see the difference between le and les? Les is the plural version of le or la. So, les bras. Now let's have a look at his hands. La main. La main. And again, both hands would be les mains. Les mains. And we are going to have a look at his legs. Les jambes. Les jambes. If we talk about only one leg, it would be la jambe. It's feminine. Now, interestingly enough, you will notice that tête is feminine, bouche is feminine, main is feminine, jambe is feminine, and épaule, we can't see it, but it's feminine. Une épaule ou l'épaule, okay? So, le bras and le cou are both masculine. And to finish, I'm going to finish with pied. And again, I'm going to talk about the plural version of feet, les pieds. And if we wanted to talk about one foot, it would be le pied. Okay? So let's have a look at this little fellow here. Tête, épaules, jambes et pieds, jambes et pieds. Tête, épaules, jambes et pieds, jambes et pieds. Les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche et le nez. Tête, épaules, jambes et pieds, jambes et pieds. Now, have a look at these words because in a minute I'm going to ask you to remember them all. La tête, la bouche, le cou, les épaules, le bras, la main, les jambes et les pieds. Let's have a look at this lady now. Now, this lady, can you name the head for me again? La tête. La tête. Très bien. La tête. Now let's have a look at, because we can't really see her shoulders, but the shoulders are here. Les, do you remember? Épaules. Les épaules. We say the because it has a S at the end here of les. And épaule begins with a vowel. Les épaules. Now let's have a look at, we can't see her neck, but her neck is here. Le cou. Le cou. Quite simply, le cou. And I want to point at the mouth here. La bouche. La bouche. Tête, épaule, jambes. Jambes et pieds. Jambes et pieds. So here we've got les jambes. Can you name fit for me? Think of the song. Tête, épaules, jambes, pieds. Jambes et pieds. Les pieds. Les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche et le nez. Tête, épaules, jambes et pieds. Jambes et pieds. My God, I'm singing is all off. And to finish, we've got two more words here that I've seen. Le ou les bras. That's the arms. And les ou la main are the hands. Now, la main, if it's only one. So let's have a look at this again. La tête, les épaules, le cou, la bouche, les bras, les mains, les jambes et les pieds. Now, let's sing that song again. Are we ready? Tête, épaules, jambes et pieds, jambes et pieds. Tête, épaules, jambes et pieds, jambes et pieds, les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche et le nez. Tête, tête, épaules, jambes et pieds, jambes et pieds. Okay, now there is a little game that I play with my pupils at school, is that you miss out a word when you sing. For example, you start with tête. Épaules, jambes et pieds, and then again. Épaules, jambes et pieds, les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche et le nez. Épaules, jambes et pieds. And then you do the same with épaule. Tête, jambes et pieds, tête, jambes et pieds, les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche et le nez. Tête, épaules, jambes et pieds. Well done. It seems like I'm the only one singing here. Okay. And to finish, if you wanted to describe a person, remember that that you can use as many adjectives to describe, such as grand ou petit, such as court and long. If you describe the hair, for example, bleu ou marron ou le vert, etc. If you describe the eye color, and try to mix that in sentences. For example, il est grand et il a les cheveux marrons. For example, he is tall and he has brown hair. Okay, try to make little sentences, and why don't you leave that in the comments below? I would love to see your small sentences written on the comments. That will be lovely. Anyway, before we go, remember to learn all these words by heart, especially the right pronunciation. That's it for me. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.